Sage Sales Manager CRM tutorial. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use one of the best CRM for sales team, as I'll be showing you how to use Sage Sales Management CRM, formerly called FORCEMANAGER. To get started is actually completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto FORCEMANAGER.com. From there, you can enter your work email and tap on try it for free. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on your Sage Sales Management dashboard, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and tap on Accounts. After selecting Accounts, you're going to tap on Create in the top right hand corner, and you're going to create your first account. So you can fill in the account name. So let's say, for example, I were to call this Test. Then you can select the branch. Then you can select the account type, whether it is a lead, distributor, supplier, client, or you could add in what type of account it is. So let's say, for example, I were to select lead. Then you can select the status. After doing that, you could select segment. And then you can also put in the VAT number, as you can see right there, and any comments or phone number, you can add that also. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Save. Now that you have saved the account, as you can see right there, you have now created your first account, as you can see right here. If you would like to add any other information, you can do that. So for instance, we could scroll down, and from here you could add any pictures or activities related to this particular contact. You can also add any opportunities, so you could tap on the add right here and you could add in different opportunities, or you can add different documents, as you can see right there. So this is where you'll be able to add all of that information. Keep in mind, you can also contact the individual. So for example, you could tap on WhatsApp activity. Then after selecting WhatsApp activity, from here you could fill in the details, as you can see right there. So that is how you'll be able to set it up. Also, if you would like to add contacts, you can tap on contacts from the left hand menu option. Then you could tap on create in the top right hand corner. Another thing that you can also do, by going over to the left hand menu option, you could select activity. Now after selecting activity, all you'll need to do now, if you would like to create a new activity, you can tap on add. Then you will tap on activity. After you have tapped on activity, you can choose the activity type, whether it be comment, meeting, phone call, visit. You can select whichever one of these options. Then you can select the date that you would like to do the activity. So let's say, for example, I did the activity the 19th. Then you can select the time, and you can also select the account that you did the activity for. So you could create an account, or you could select the account. Then you can select the opportunity right there, and you can also add in the contact. And if you would like to add files related to this activity, you can upload the file right there. So you could do that real quick. Then you will tap on save. If we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on calendar, this is where you'll be able to see your calendar, and you'll also be able to create new events. To create a new event, you'll tap on create event in the top right hand corner. And you could create an event to add to your calendar. If it is a case that you like to create a task and you could assign that task to someone, you could tap on create task. Then you could give the task a name. Then you can scroll down, and from there you can add in the basic information like the account, the opportunity, and so on. And if you have any related field that you like to create, you could tap on create field from the bottom right there. And you could assign the task to someone. Now, if we were to close this and go over to the left hand menu option and tap on opportunities, this is where you'll be able to create opportunities. To create an opportunity, you'll tap on create in the top right hand corner. Then you can give the opportunity a name. You can choose the opportunity state, whether it is contact, first visit, offer set, or awaiting contact. You can add in the value. And you can add in the sales forecast date and basic information. Now, if it is a case that you would like to upload documents related to any one of your contacts or opportunities, you can select documents from the left hand menu option. And Sage Sales Management also has different features, but they are behind a paywall. so you won't be able to access them on the free plan. For example, you have the goals option where you could add in your different goals. You'll also be able to monitor orders, products, and so on, sales campaign, and so on, as you can see right there. But all of those features, you'll need to be on the paid plan to access them. Another thing, if we were to tap on customize in the top right hand corner, from there you can customize the background. As you can see right here, you could select whichever one of these colors you want, and you could customize your dashboard. You can also rearrange it, and you can add different activities or tabs to your dashboard. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.